How does the horn effect relate to first impressions? Have you ever met someone and immediately thought they were unlikable based on just one negative trait? That's the horn effect in action. This cognitive bias can shape our first impressions in a big way. The horn effect occurs when we notice a single negative characteristic in a person and let that overshadow all their positive qualities. For example, if someone appears disheveled or makes a small mistake, we might unfairly judge their entire character based on that one moment. This bias can lead to distorted views, especially when we form opinions based on limited information. When we meet someone for the first time, we often relying on quick judgments. If the horn effect kicks in, we might think, this person is late, so they must be irresponsible. This kind of thinking is a form of automatic negative thought that can skew our perception. Cognitive therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy offers tools to challenge these negative thoughts. Recognizing the horn effect is a key step. By identifying when our judgments are based on incomplete information, we can begin to reframe our thoughts. For instance, if you think a colleague is incompetent because they were late once, cognitive therapy encourages you to question that assumption. You can ask yourself, is there evidence to support this view? What else do I know about their work? Challenging these thoughts helps us see the bigger picture. It encourages us to consider alternative explanations and focus on a person's overall behavior rather than just isolated incidents. This practice can lead to more balanced views and improve our relationships. Understanding the horn effect is not just about recognizing our biases, it's also about fostering fairer perceptions. By reframing negative thoughts, we can reduce the impact of snap judgments. This can lead to more meaningful connections with others. So, the horn effect relates to first impressions by influencing how we evaluate people based on single negative traits. Cognitive therapy helps us recognize and modify these biased thought patterns, allowing for a more accurate and fair assessment of others.